This program is not intended to replace professional legal advice or representation. If you have a legal concern, you are strongly encouraged to seek the advice of an attorney.
Hello everyone, I'm Yanique Otto, attorney at law in South Florida with the Otto Law Group. Thanks for joining us for another episode of Now You Know the Law. So your father recently passed away and he left some things behind, both assets and liabilities. No one seems to know what to do in terms of how do these things get divvied up. He left a will, but you can't figure out how to transfer the items he left behind to the people he specified in the will. And you're also wondering, what about his creditors, the people he owed money to? How do they get paid, and do we even have to pay them? Well, here's what you need to know. Your father has left behind what's known as an estate. This simply means he left some stuff behind. And in order to divvy up the estate, it needs to go through what's called the probate process. If the decedent, which is the person who died, your dad in this case, left a valid will, that will must be admitted to probate in the court in order to effectively pass ownership of the probate assets to the decedent's beneficiaries. If the decedent had no will, probate is still necessary to pass ownership of the things he left to those people who are entitled under the relevant Florida law. Probate is a court-supervised process for identifying and gathering the assets of the deceased person, paying the decedent's debts, yes, you have to pay them, and distributing the decedent's assets to his or her beneficiaries. In general, the decedent's assets are first used to pay the cost of the probate proceeding, then are used to pay the decedent's outstanding debts, and the remainder is distributed to the decedent's beneficiaries. The Florida Probate Code is found in chapters 731 through 735 of the Florida statutes. The code is pretty technical and it can be a bit overwhelming. You'll probably need an attorney to help you with this one. If you have a loved one that has passed away and you need legal assistance, give our office a call and we can help you. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. I'm Yanique Otto, and Now You Know the Law.
Now You Know the Law is brought to you by the Otto Law Group. If you have a legal question, give us a call. We'll either help you with the matter or put you in touch with someone who can. To have your questions answered in one of our episodes, you may submit them via our Facebook page at facebook.com/Otto Law Group. The Otto Law Group, providing legal solutions.